Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Turning water into milk. Narrated by Salim ibn Abi al-Jad that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent two persons on a mission. Both of them said, "O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we don't have anything for eating during journey." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bring me a water skin." They brought water skin to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered them to fill it. They filled it with water. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam put a dot on it and said, "The both of you go until you reach such and such a place. Allah will provide sustenance for both of you." They both set out until they came to the place which Allah's Messenger had commanded them. The water skin was opened. They both obtained goat milk and butter. They ate enough. Tabqat ibn Sa'd. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.